Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to go over the steps on how to replace the power steering reservoir. So the first thing that you need to do is allow the engine to cool down. When that has happened, you'll come and remove this part of the engine cover, and that comes off simply by pulling it up towards the front and then pulling it forward. Next, you have this air hose right here. You'd have to remove these. You just kind of pull it from that, and you pull that there, and then over here simply it just pulls out and pull that to the side. The next step is you need to remove the power steering reservoir cap and then extract all the fluid that you have in here, okay? Because that will drain and you'll have a power steering leak if you don't. You want to remove as much as you can. Also put a pan underneath because you probably still get some power steering fluid dripping over here on the back when you take that off, okay? But once you do that, then you need T30, a Torx 30 bit, and these are a little bit dipped, so you need the socket types. Might be hard to get to these, especially to this one right here. So these kind of L-shaped wrenches work better. You put that there, okay, and then you loosen that. If you put that and then it won't turn, just take an extension or a little pipe, put it right there, or pliers, and just break that loose, okay? Once you break it loose, then you can remove the bolt. Got one bolt there, and one over here, okay? These don't come completely out, they just come that far. Next, right here on the back, you have a C-clip, okay? And we have removed that, but once you take off these 3 bolts, the reservoir won't come out quite yet, because on the back here you have this clip, and then that's what connects to the inlet for the power steering pump. So you'll take this pick tool, you'll come here and then pull. You'll need to look with a flashlight through there and then just pull on that. Keep in mind you might want to have a spare of these, because when you pull it, there's a chance it'll just fly out and just fall somewhere and you might not be able to find it. So it is good to have one of these spare handy just in case. But yeah, pull that out, and then once you do that, the 3 bolts are off. You take this, pull it forward, and then tilt it when it comes off, because you just want to minimize leaks over there, okay? And then you see, to install, you go in reverse order. You have an O-ring right here, and these O-rings can leak over time, so make sure to replace that O-ring there, and then reinstall it and tighten the bolts and fill it up with power steering fluid. Fill the reservoir with power steering fluid before you start the engine, otherwise you're going to introduce air. And it might take some time for the air to come out of the power steering system. So that's it, pretty simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching.